Alright, Zachary break the iPhone monitor. And then he replaces. Now the moment of truth. It works. Ta-da! He did it. He did it. He replaced this broken board, iPhone 6 board by himself. I just helped him a little bit, just a little bit. And so I'm so proud of him. That's my engineer.
And now all I gotta do are close it and
let me see.
All I gotta do is close and shut this off and then
and try it again. Okay, hold on.
And get the two final screws.
Log in. Try other application.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, see if you can log in and do anything else.
Let's go see.
So, he accidentally dropped the phone, and then look.
Still works.
Look, and then so I wasn't happy about it. I said, okay, how about this? Just go online, see how to fix it, and then we will order the parts. And I say, well, if you can replace it all by yourself, I'm fine with it. He did it. Very good. I'm so happy. Good job. That's my boy. I'm so proud of you. Good job. All right.